How to replace your Chevy Silverado rear tail light. Easy. Bolt 1, bolt 2, out, out. Give her a little tug and she'll pop right on out. Then find the wires, disconnect them. Easy enough. Just give it a little twist and pull. Twist, pull, twist, pull. Then you get your new tail light and do the reverse process. Believe it or not, this is the first time I've ever done it, and it was just ridiculously easy. If I can do it, well, if other people can do it, you can do it, and they can do it, and the other guy can do it, and anyone can do this. Too easy. There you have it, new tail light. Easy peasy. Would have been better off getting a whole new bed, but, whatever. Old. New. Jeez, that looks like a brand new car. That does. Cool.